Hi, let's take 350 divided by 5. We'll use the standard algorithm of long division to solve. So since I'm dividing by 5s, I'm thinking of writing out some multiplication facts to help me out with this division problem. If you know your 5s already, awesome. Sometimes it just helps to see the numbers before you begin. So now let's take 350 divided by 5. First thing I notice here is that 3 divided by 5 is not possible because the number 3 here is smaller than 5. So now I'm thinking, let's just look at the number 35. What number times 5 would get us pretty close to 35? I'm thinking 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7, got it, 35. Now I can take 35 divided by 5. That is 7. Check. I already divided. Now I need to multiply 7 times 5. That equals 35. Check. Now subtract. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Check. Bring down my next number. That's also a 0. Check. Start over with the steps and repeat as necessary. So you're always going to be doing this series of steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. We do that over and over until our quotient is found. So I'm dividing 0 divided by 5. Well, if I have 0 gummies, I cannot divide those into 5 groups, so 0 divided by 5 is 0. Check. I divided. Let's multiply 0 times 5. That gives me another 0. Check. I multiplied. The S stands for subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. If I don't have any numbers left to bring down, I'm finished with the problem. The answer, or the quotient to this division problem, 350 divided by 5, is equal to 70.